When removing the engine computer on Fiat 500, make sure you do one specific step, otherwise you can burn the electronics. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Fiat 500, and if you guys need to remove or replace engine computer, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, what you need to do, all that stuff. Stay with us and we'll explain how to remove it step by step. It's very important when you disconnect your car battery, replacing the engine computer, make sure you do it the correct way. Stay with us, we'll explain why, because if you don't do it right, you can cause damage to the engine computer, other modules, body control module, electronics, and that can cost you guys quite a bit of money. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping for your Fiat, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Let's explain how to remove the engine computer now. So, first thing that we need to do, we're going to open the hood here on that Fiat 500. We're going to support it. Now, specifically we have the Abarth, we have the air intake removed, but for that procedure, okay, most cars will not need to do that. If you want to remove the intake box, we have the video how to remove air filter box on Fiat Abarth. You need to disconnect the negative battery terminal first. Always wear gloves because you may have acid from the battery. Then you disconnect the negative. That way you can minimize the chance to burn the electronics, computer modules, something that can cost you guys thousands of dollars. So let's go ahead, do that. Now we can grab the battery, okay, and remove the mount. That's the mount right here. Let's go ahead, unscrew it. It will come out. The battery comes out. You don't need to remove the bolt all the way because it slides back and forth. Okay, you can see it's adjustable. If you want, you can remove it. Next, we're going to disconnect the ECU, okay, right here. And how you do that, okay, that yellow thing needs to come out, okay, you can see like that. Then you're going to go ahead, okay, and pull slowly up. If they're stuck, wiggle them a little bit. We might need to put a little bit of lubricating spray, and it will, okay, check it out, come out. Now this one, the same way, you go ahead, remove the yellow thing. Okay, sometimes I noticed that if you press right here, it comes out easier. Let's see, this one is a little bit stuck. Okay, it came out, okay, perfect, and just pull it out. On the back side, you start sliding too. If it's stuck, you can grab here and pull to open at the same time. Okay, the wires are disconnected now, as you can see, just like that. Next, we'll get a prying panel clip remover too. We're going to go ahead, okay, remove. We broke the ear here, so you have to be extremely careful how you remove those, guys, because everything is fragile from all the heat here. Don't pry on the wires ever, okay, because if you do, okay, let me come on this angle here, from this side, and we can get it, perfect. Now we have one more, that's big one here. Perfect. Now this one, no, this one I think stays underneath. This one is different, I believe. We'll check and see that. Now we have here we have this is a ground wire. Okay, later that we need to disconnect. So now 13mm socket. We're going to remove. Okay, we might need to try it without extension to see if it's going to work, because those, obviously guys, they have rust underneath because they do not go, okay, so easy. So let's go ahead and see if it's going to come. Okay, let's see what's happening here now. Okay, probably clean the rust coming out, so okay, check it out, it came out, guys. That's unbelievable. Okay, quite a bit of noise here. Now, nothing else should be holding here. We'll inspect again everything to see. Okay, make sure that you don't damage your wires when you do that. Okay, on the back side here, we have a battery terminal cable going through the box as well, which we need to open, okay, to disconnect it. Okay, that's what we'll be doing next, or it attaches right here. Okay, so let's see if it's going to come out that way. Okay, no, we have other things here. Let's see now. Here we have the wires going to these clips on the back side. One more. Perfect. Now we just have this one here. Okay, two clips that we need to push out. That way it will be easier because we cannot open them easily. So let's go ahead and see if we can push them through here. Okay, let me see if we can hold the camera with here so I can grab with two hands, because with one hand it's almost impossible. Okay, to see if those will come out. Almost. Let me see on this side now. Okay, one came out. Now we're working on the other one. Only if I could reach there. Let me come from this angle. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now let's see. Do you have anything else? Okay, we have the... Okay. We just dropped the nut all the way underneath now. So the battery and bracket here, okay, came out with the engine computer. Next, we're going to remove that 10mm nut here. Careful not to drop anything, guys. Perfect. Comes out. Okay. And you can see that's right here, okay, the bolt on the back side. Careful not to come loose and fall out. Sometimes, okay, that could happen, guys. Next, we'll remove the other 3 nuts as well. Okay, 2 more on this side. Hold the engine computer on the last one. Okay, engine computer and battery tray mount right here came out, you can see, just like that. So this is the Magneti Marelli Fiat engine computer. That's how it comes out. If you have problems with the engine computers not working correctly or having a problem, guys, and you don't want to do any programming, you can always send the computer to get it repaired. That way, when they repair it, okay, practically all you do, plug and play. Practically already, because it already has the VIN number and everything, so you don't need to worry about anything else. So if you want to do that, if you have problems with the engine computer, I would recommend to have it repaired instead of replaced. It's cheaper as well. We have a video about the engine computer, actually how to repair engine computer, where we send it, so check it out, it's on our channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.